In this video, I'll show you how to hide your photos, video, documents on Android phone, a step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide your photos, videos, and documents on any Android phone. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. I'm going to click on Play Store. Then you have to make use of search app and type in log my piece, click on search. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on install right here. Alright, so after a successful install the app, next thing you want to do is to click on open. Then click on apply permission right here. Then turn it on. Then go back. Right here, you need to set in your login password into this app. So which has to do with at least maximum of 8 numbers. So I'm going to set the login password. Then click on enter and you will be taken into the app. Okay. So now let's see how to add photos, video, and documents into the app. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this plus sign right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on add photos and documents. Then it takes you to your photo album. You can add as many as possible photo. Okay, so I'm going to select, click and hold down and select each of the photo you would like to add. Then I had about 7 photos here. Then I will just click on import. Click on allow, then click on next. Now we have successfully imported about 7 different photos. So let's quickly go back. Then let's see how to add video. For us to add a video, we just need to click on this plus sign again, add photos and documents. Then next thing we want to do is to navigate to videos. Then we can select as many as possible videos. Then we click on import right here. Import. So we have about 4 different videos imported. So the same way we can add documents. So we click on this plus sign again. We add photos and documents. Then we go to file sections. Then we can select our document type. It can be any type of file format. So I have this PDF right here. I'll click on import. So we have added photo, video, and image and PDF file documents. Okay. So we can also add a live photo or live video. So for us to do that, we just need to click on this plus sign right here. Then we click on take photo right here. Then we click on open setting to allow permission. Then we give permission. Then we can go back. Then take photo, allow. Then we can simply snap a live picture. Then we click on here. So the photo will be added successful. We can also add a live video. We just click on that plus sign, click on take video, allow setting permission. Then we go to permission. Then we give permission right here. So the permission has been turned on. Then we go back. Then we click on this plus sign again. We click on take video. While using the app, then we can simply record a video. Then we click on here to save the video. It's as simple as that. So this is how to hide your photos, videos, and documents, live video or live picture on any Android device or any Android mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.